Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
First, locate your model and serial number on the microwave. This is how you'll pull up information on your specific unit. Microwaves cook by using electromagnetic waves, which are absorbed into the molecules of water, sugar, and fat in food. This action causes them to vibrate, which creates heat to cook food fairly evenly from the inside out. Press Clock Options to reach Clock submenu. Next, use the numbers keypad to enter desired time. Hit Select. Press 1 for AM or 2 for PM. The clock is now set. To set manual cooking power, touch Cook Power to set the power level. Enter Cook Power with number keypad. What can you microwave? Glass and ceramics, plastic including Tupperware, paper plates, paper towels. What can't you put in the microwave? Styrofoam, cardboard, metals including stainless steel and aluminum foil. If you aren't sure whether something can go in the microwave, check the back or bottom to look for a microwave safe label or symbol. A typical microwave has around 5 to 10 different power settings, and each level has a specific cooking purpose. High or 100% is used for quick heating and cooking foods with a high water content like soups and vegetables. Medium high or 70% is for reheating a single serving of food. Medium or 50% is for cooking ham, pot roasts, and stews. Defrost medium low or 30% is for defrosting bread, fish, meat, ground beef, poultry, and pre-cooked frozen foods. Low or 10% is for softening butter and warming fruits and vegetables. To clean your microwave, heat 1 cup of water in a microwave-safe container for 3 to 4 minutes. The steam can help loosen up grime. For a deeper cleaning and to remove burnt smell, mix 1 cup of water with 1 tablespoon of either lemon juice or vinegar. Heat for 2 to 5 minutes. Wipe the interior with a sponge or paper towel. Don't like the smell of vinegar or lemon juice? You can try either 4 teaspoons of vanilla extract or 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds mixed with a half a cup of water. Let your turntable cool completely before cleaning. To wash by hand, use soapy water and a non-abrasive scouring pad or dishcloth. To wash in the dishwasher, check your microwave manual to see if your turntable is dishwasher safe. Wipe the interior with a soft cloth dipped in water and a little dish soap. Dry the turntable and replace it immediately after cleaning. Do not use the microwave oven without the turntable in place.